In this video right here, I'm gonna be showing you exactly how much I made from 300,000 views in the last 30 days. Once I show you guys that, I'm gonna compare it to another channel that I have around the same amount of subscribers. And then after we get done with that, I'm gonna also be investing that money in the stock market. So this is definitely one of those videos that you're gonna wanna stick around for. But before we get into all of that, I gotta announce the winner to the affiliate marketing course from the previous video. So if that's you on the screen right here, just DM me on Instagram and I got you. Now, if you wanna be entered in the next giveaway, all you gotta do is drop a like on this video, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. But without further ado, let's get into this video, man. Alright, so I'm on my channel right now, the Black Hustlers Club. You know what it is. As you can see, I got it set to 2019, and in 2019 I only made $63. 63, the whole 2019. Now I just wanted to show you guys this because it was a process to get to where I'm at today. Don't think that this happened overnight. Nah, it was a process. As you can see, I got my channel monetized in like October of 2019, right? And look, you can see the views. It wasn't looking too good, man. But let's actually go to the first 6 months of this year, right? So let me go to custom. All right, so I got it set to the first 6 months of this year, right? And as you can see, the first 6 months, I was barely making any money at all. Like $1,000 for the first 6 months of the year. A lot of people would have gave up right there. But you're gonna see later on in this video why you should never give up, right? So as you can see, 82,000 views, $1,000, 3.9K subscribers. The first 6 months, you gotta remember, this is 6 months of work. But I really didn't start taking the channel serious until about April, right? So as you can see, first couple months I was barely uploading anything. I would upload like once or twice a month or something like that. But then in April I started taking it more serious because that's when the pandemic hit and everything like that. So I was like, you know what, let me take this channel more serious. And that's when I started going crazy with the uploads. I was uploading at least 48 times a month on this channel, right? So we on July now. Now July wasn't looking bad at all. As you can see, $800 compared to the $1,100 for the first 6 months. $800, I was satisfied with that. But let's go on to August, right? So August I made $1,100 on 50,000 views. So as you can see, I had a little spike right here, you know what I'm saying? The views started to go up in August right here, as you can see. But yeah, that's August for you. Now we're gonna get into September. So this is the biggest month I ever had on YouTube, right? Especially for this channel, because this channel started going crazy in September. As you can see, in September, I had 286,000 views. I gained 14.5K subscribers, and I ended up making $8,881. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? That's you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Look, man, look. That's pretty crazy, man. $8,000 on just 300,000 views. So if you're struggling right now on your channel, just keep pushing, man, because all you need is one video to go viral. And you can see, like, I was struggling as well. Like, yo, February, 2,600 views in the whole month of February. Like, that's nothing, you know what I'm saying? But all you need is that one video to go viral, because as you can see, this video right here, it went viral for me. So this video right here just changed everything. This video got 195K views on it. I gained 9,000 subscribers off this, and I also made $6,000 off this one video alone. All you need is one video. So y'all seen how much I made last month off the Black Hustlers Club channel? Almost $9,000 in a single month. That's crazy, man. I just want to say thank you for all the love and support. I really appreciate it. Y'all know I do this for the culture. One more time, for the culture. But look, man, I want to show you guys another channel that I have around the same amount of subscribers. All right, so I'm on my second channel, right? So this channel right here has about 18,000 subscribers on it, almost 19,000 actually, right? And it's called Drell Jones. Now on this channel, I do like affiliate marketing videos, more like tutorial based videos, right? So as you can see, this channel last month in September, I had 44,000 views. I gained about 1.2K subscribers, and I earned $1,800. Now, I only posted one video for this channel last month. So if I posted more videos, I definitely could have earned at least $2,000 to $3,000 on this channel. But I was so focused on this channel and other businesses that I have that I wasn't really focused on this channel. But look, this channel still did pretty good. So 44,000 views, $1,800. That's not bad at all. And let's actually go to monthly real quick so I can show you guys like a whole overview of this channel. Now I started this channel a year before I started the Black Hustlers Club channel, right? So it's crazy how everything works out. But look, as you can see, my biggest month on this channel, let's actually go to the revenue. My biggest month was $4,300, and that was February of this year. And as you can see, it just went down because I stopped posting, right? So as you can see, in May, I didn't post any videos and I still made $764. So that's the power of YouTube. Like, some months you might not feel like posting like I did on this channel right here, and you can still be making money off the videos that you made previously, right? So you can post a video today and you still can be making money off that video months, if not years down the line. So that's the power in YouTube. That's why I encourage you guys to start a YouTube channel, right? And that's why I'm making this video as well, so that you guys can see the possibilities in it. Like, when I was growing up, like, I didn't really see no black creators like that showing how much they made or anything like that, especially not in this niche, not in the finance niche, not in the entrepreneurship niche. So that's why I wanted to show you guys this, just to show you guys it's possible, not to brag or anything like that. But as you can see, in June, I started to post more again. 4 videos in June, 1,100, 4 videos in July, 1,800. August, I posted 3 videos, 1,500, and then in September I made $1,800. Like I said, now we combine the Drell Jones channel with the Black Hustlers Club channel, that's well over $10,000 in just AdSense revenue. Now the AdSense revenue, I really don't even pay attention to like that, because I got so many other income streams. This not counting the affiliate marketing from the channels, this not counting like my Instagram pages, my Shopify stores, anything like that. This is just YouTube AdSense revenue. So again, I just want to say thank you for all the love and support, especially on this channel. Like, I've seen people make good money on YouTube. Like, I've seen these videos before, but it never really hit me until now. Like, now I can see like you can actually make some decent money on YouTube. So like I said, I encourage you guys to start your channel and everything like that. But now it's time to invest that money in the stock market. It's not enough to just make the money. I want to show you guys how to invest it as well. So I'm on my Robinhood account right now, and as you can see, I got $1,000 available to buy right now. Now I deposited $4,000 because, like I said, I'm gonna take about half of my YouTube ad revenue from the Black Hustlers Club channel, and I'm gonna invest it into stocks every single month. But when you first deposit, Robinhood only allows you access to $1,000 right away, and then I'll get the remaining $3,000 in a couple days. So make sure y'all stay tuned for a future video on the remainder of the stocks that I'm gonna be buying. But as you can see, I got a free stock available, so I'm gonna go ahead and open that first. So let me actually do this real quick. Now I got a couple free stocks available, and if you guys want to get a free stock as well, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below for it. So that's one of my free stocks right there. Let me go ahead and open this one as well. Let's see what I get. So this is a vaccine one. This is $2. This is just basically free money, to be honest. So boom. And this one right here, let's see what this one is $4 right here. And then I got one more, I believe, right here. Let's see how much I get with this one. Alright, so this one was $5, right? So like I said, if you guys want to get a free stock, you get a free stock when you sign up, and so do I. So for the $1,000, first thing I want to buy is more shares of Apple. So as you can see right now, I got about $254 in Apple right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and buy $500 more of Apple. So let me go ahead and hit buy, 500. Boom, so now we have more Apple. Now another stock that I want to buy in this video is some Tesla stock, right? So Tesla, this was a stock that I've been looking at for a minute, and everybody been saying buy Tesla. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy some Tesla. I ain't gonna hold you. So let me go ahead and buy some Tesla. As you can see, they valued at $447. Let's actually go to 1 week. They up $54 for the week. For the month, they down. Well, now they up $2 for the month. Past 3 months, they up $200. Let me go ahead and buy some Tesla. Let's actually see the analysts. So it's only 24% saying buy right now.
I don't want to. Yeah, I don't want to. All right, I'm gonna do it. Fuck it, I ain't no bitch.
$100, we're gonna do the remaining $500. Boom, so now I have some of Tesla as well. Now, like I said, I have $3,000 more to invest this month, so make sure y'all stay tuned for a video on that and my entire stock portfolio in general. But other than that, man, I really hope that this video inspired you guys, and y'all can see, like, if I could do it, you could do it as well, because I know a lot of you guys come from similar backgrounds, like single mom with 4 kids, no handouts, no degrees, nothing, man. You can come from nothing and go get it. You just gotta educate yourself, you gotta grind. But I'm out, man. I'll catch y'all in the next one. For the coach.